So this Verilog course is divided into 4 parts. Okay. And basically, 4 parts are, you are basically day one is for tomorrow, which is day one. Today is day zero, which where we'll just briefly go through the logistics. So day one is starts tomorrow, then day two, day three, and day four. So we'll try to finish this in 4 days. Every day we'll have a call. You would have received a WhatsApp group link on your email. Please join that WhatsApp group as in to ask questions anytime during the day whenever you find any doubt. And of course, we'll be having this daily calls every day at 7 p.m. When you go into each of these parts, you will see a video. Like videos are typically for each day, it's around 2 to 3 hours. So try to figure out so that you have enough time for that. And then there'll be assignments to be done for each day. Okay, you will see these are the assignments. These assignments are based upon the video. Okay, so this video will cover how to do these assignments, and also covers, of course, the basic aspects of Verilog. You can also click me directly here, but you don't need to click here to reach me. You already have the WhatsApp group, which I have sent you. Now, how you have to create assignments is, you have to create assignments on EDA Playground. You click here, EDA Playground link will open. Okay, and then, yeah, so this is how EDA Playground link will open. Here there is one sample example. You don't need to use this. You can modify it. You can log in. The advantage of login is you log in with your Google account, let's say. Okay, and what that will allow you to do is, you can save your work, and also just a minute, you can save your work, and also you can share. Okay, just a minute. You can also share your work using this. You can run, you can save, but you can share your work also using this. So what you have to do is, you have to create these assignments, share the link like this, public link, and basically save. Right now it's a little bit hanging this payload, but let it open. Well, once you save, it will create you a link. Let's say test, and you click on save. Just a minute, let me select a simulator. I have not selected. Let me select a simulator. Just okay. Let's say synopsis. Okay. Click on save. Now what this save will allow you is, it will create this link. Okay. Now when you this link you can share with me, and then automatically once I click on that link, I will be able to see your assignment. So as you complete each assignment, which is here, okay, create a link for each of these assignments, and when your each day assignments are finished, send me all those links, and I will check your results. Okay, any questions so far? Does it make sense? Any questions? Ankit?
No, sir. No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay.
Nothing.
Now make sure you have around 3 to 4 hours every day. Okay, and so that you can complete these exercises really well. Okay, and it's very important, as in we have tried to club it in 4 days, and not like 10 days or 20 days, so that you can do a focus attention on these and come up with this. And these covers from very basic, and also it goes into complex parts of Verilog. Let's say day 4, let's say you come to day 4, you will be implementing really complex structures, right? You will be implementing like FIFOs, overlapping, non-level overlapping sequences. So make sure you do the work of each day every day, so that by the 4th or 5th day, you are able to reach at these complexity level, which is good enough for you to crack an interview as well. Okay, people who are looking to crack an interview. So that's the first part of it.